Okay, we've moved over to the master bath now. As you can see, this starts out in PVC. We're going to continue to televise, and we're going to televise out to the Y there that picks up the half bath. As you can see here, this is PVC piping. We have a Y here, probably picks up a shower. We do have sinks that are running, as you can see here. This Y, we have 2 lavs running. You can see here is where we change to the cast iron, which at this point looks pretty good. It does have some scale buildup to it. Okay, here you can see we have the water flow. It is flowing on, holding about a half a pipe of water. And you can see here we start seeing some of the buildup. Okay, here you can see we are going to go ahead and turn on the cold water in the half bath sink. We believe that's the area that you see right here. We just want to confirm. Okay, we're going to continue on. We do have water running in the laundry, also in the half bath. We will locate that Y to see if we can get an idea of what the location of that Y is. Here again you can start to see possibly where we start having piping issues. We are going to continue forward. Okay, coming up here, this is actually the 45 that's by the kitchen. So we are going to go ahead and continue to pull back. Again, this is an area, as you can see, where the bottom of the pipe, as you can see, especially when we turn the corner here, you can see on the left-hand side, you can see where there's no pipe for the bottom. Again, we're going to continue to pull back. We're going to just try and verify some of the Ys as we come back. Again, this gives you a view here to where you can see on the left-hand side, you can see how the pipe is curled, and we're running through a little channel where the bottom is broke out. Again, you can see what appear to be holes on the left-hand side.
Another one-piece toilet, eh? Yeah. Find anything yet?
Yeah, his pipe's bad.
Oh,
it's bad all over the place. It's bad. There's a big hole up by the kitchen.
Oh, what, you guys sucked it out when you found the hole?
I couldn't get my hose.
So you
I can't get the hose and the camera at the same time.
Right.
So what I started doing was running cold water so I could get a visual. And Marie just flushed the toilet. That's why I was just going to show you.
Could you see the mud coming through? Or
No, it's not. I don't think it's something that's been happening for a long period of time.
But those are two cracks running around along the horizontal there, right?
Yeah, you can see here, and then you can see how here there's parts missing
cavities,
all over. Yeah.
But the pipe's cracked on both sides where they seamed it together, right?
Yep. And then, like, you get up by where the kitchen is, and you can tell, you go and there's areas, where you can see bottom, and then there's areas like you see here, another hole here.
I mean, you're a liner company, correct?
You can't line this.
You can't?
No. By the time I prep this, because you can't just take cast iron and line it.
Okay.
The liner looks like the cast iron pipe, so you got to clean it. By the time I clean it, there's going to be nothing left.
Blow it away. Eh?
Yeah, there's nothing. See, you can see all the little.
Yeah.
I mean, pretty much, it's going to be redo all the cast iron.
Yeah, but that's the easy part.
Well, yeah, exactly. It's how do you go about it? And I got a feeling anywhere you try and start and stop, the bottom is going to be so thin that you ain't going to be able to tighten a furnicle on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's.
Have you
Okay, we're going to try and get some depth readings here. We're going to go in just a little bit into the laundry room to be able to get a location and depth on the pipe right here. Okay, we've located this in the center of the laundry room. This is down approximately 1'6". We're going to go ahead and push to the 45 for the kitchen. And we're going to go ahead and get a, as you can see here, you can see there's a lot of areas where the bottom of the pipe's been compromised. We're going to push to the kitchen 45, and at that point we're going to get a depth there, and then we will get one at the PVC outside as well. Okay, we've located this. This turn is right almost in front of the kitchen sink area, and currently right here we're down 1'9". We are going to push all the way out to where it changes to PVC. See if we can get a depth reading out there and try and give us an idea of how much pitch we have through the entire cast iron run. Again, you can see as we come up towards where the PVC is, this was another bad area. As you can see, this is all chunks of the bottom of the pipe that's laying in here. There's really no way to clean it without damaging the pipe even more. We're going to pause right here and get a depth. Okay, we've located this outside where the cleanout is. We had to measure because there's a drop down to the deck, so we had to measure from the deck to the threshold. Basically, at this area, we're down 2.5 inches, which basically gives us 3.5 inches from the kitchen this far, and it only gives us 6.5 inches from the laundry room all the way here. And as you can see, we're almost at 60 feet, and the laundry room was at approximately 7 to 8 feet where we changed to the PVC. We are going to pull back at this time with our recording. As you can see here, this is one of the areas where the pipe is broken quite severe. This is right by the kitchen sink area. And as we pull back, you're going to see there's different, a lot of the stuff that you see in the drain is actually broken out bottom of the pipe that's starting to pile up in the drain itself.